Hi, this morning, well, the afternoon or whatever day it is, we're gonna make our Berkeley plate from our 5.1 vegetarian patties. What we do is we start with a little bit of arugula, fresh arugula, and we just drizzle with a little bit of a pomegranate vinaigrette, and we just sort of toss that so the leaves get coated. A little bit more. You just want to coat the leaves so they're just a little bit sweet. Then we take our cooked patty, and as we've talked about in other videos, this has been baked for about 5 minutes on each side with just our kitchen spray. You put that on the top of the lettuce, and then we go and start to build the rest of it. We put a little avocado on the top, put a little pickled onions, pickled red onions, a little fresh cranberry, and I like that to sort of drop around the whole dish. Then a little goat cheese, and the vegetarian patty has goat cheese in it, so we just sort of enhance that a little bit more with some goat cheese. And then we bring in our spiced pepitas. We spice this with a little cayenne, a little sugar, and just bake it in the oven for a little bit. It gives a nice little texture. Then we take a little bit of our cranberry sauce, and we're just gonna drizzle a little bit off to the side so that you can sort of dip into it if you like. It's not much. We finish the dish by just topping with a little bit of balsamic glaze just over the top. And there you have it, the Berkeley plate. Enjoy.